What is up, guys? Today we're making this chicken bacon melt, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by seasoning our chicken with Cajun seasoning on both sides and then cutting it into strips. While you're doing this, cook your bacon in the oven. So you're just going to put it on a baking sheet with foil and cook it for 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and it's delicious. And then we're going to cook our chicken on the stovetop. So you're just going to cook it for about 3 minutes on each side, and it'll come out looking like this. And then we're going to cut up a tomato, dice a tomato, and then slice a red onion. And after your bacon's done cooking, we're going to take our chicken and put some mozzarella cheese on top of it and just broil it until the cheese melts. Now we're going to make our mayo mixture. So we just do 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of mayo. And then we're going to do 1 clove of minced garlic. And then salt and pepper just to taste however much you want. And then make sure you mix all of this up in your bowl before we add in our other ingredients, because we're going to add in our onions, our tomatoes, and our shredded lettuce, and just do however much you want of this. And then mix it all together. So that way the sauce is combined before we combined all the other ingredients in there. And then you're just going to take whatever bread you want. I did a garlic sourdough, and then I did half of an avocado mashed on the bottom. We're going to put our grilled chicken with our cheese on top of that, our bacon, and then our lettuce and veggie mixture. And that's it. Super easy, super tasty. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe. But yeah, bon appetit, y'all. Enjoy.